Re'eh, anochi noten lifnechem hayom bracha uklala. So begins our Torah portion this week. See, I set before you today a blessing and a curse. We tend to think of life in dichotomies, good and bad, blessing and curse, positive and negative. The truth of the matter is, though, very few things in life are purely one or the other. There's constantly transition. There's constantly a middle ground. Life is not two different points of view. Life is like a bell curve. There's one extreme, there's another extreme, but most of what happens is somewhere in the middle, some combination of the two. There are so many things that we can't control, good and bad. However, we do have full control over how we respond to what happens to us in our lives. When the Torah says, Anochi noten lifnechem hayom bracha uklala, I am setting before you today a blessing and a curse, it does not truly mean that it's only one or the other. Rather, the Torah is reminding us that we always have a choice. Not only do we have a choice on how to respond, but we also have a choice of what to do with our blessings and with our curses. We can hold them, cling to them, try and make them last as long as possible. We can resist them, we can deny them, or we can attempt to transform them. We can transform our blessing into greater blessing, into more blessing, by sharing it with others. And we can transform those curses, those negative things, the unfortunate, the painful, the unwanted that happen in our lives. And we can make them into a sort of blessing as well. Yes, it depends on how we respond to them. But it also depends on how well we accept the reality of the moment. Because we do know that this moment will pass, and what happens in the next moment can be deeply affected by the choices that we make. Shabbat shalom u'mivarach.